Hello and welcome back to Word Unlocked. I'm Jake.
And I'm Sarah, and today's word is one of the most important words we have covered on this entire podcast, not just for English, for life.
Yes, this word is behind almost every success story, every achievement, every goal that actually got reached. Sarah, the word?
Persistence.
Persistence. Let's learn it.
Persistence means you keep going, even when it is hard, even when it is slow, even when you fail. You try again and again until it works. That refusal to stop, that is persistence.
It is different from just trying. Trying is one attempt. Persistence is many attempts over time, through difficulty, without giving up.
Now the chunks.
Chunk 1. Persistence pays off. This is an idiom, a saying. It means if you keep going long enough, the result will come. The effort will be rewarded, eventually.
For example, she applied for 40 jobs, got 40 rejections, applied again, eventually got hired. Persistence pays off. The persistence was the reason, not luck, not talent alone, the refusal to stop.
Use persistence pays off to encourage someone in a difficult period, when they feel like giving up, when results are slow. Persistence pays off is hope, with evidence behind it.
Chunk 2, sheer persistence. Sheer means only this, nothing else. No special talent, no lucky break, no connections, just persistence, pure and alone.
For example, he learned to code through sheer persistence. No degree, no teacher, no natural gift. Just he kept going every day. Sheer persistence.
Sheer persistence is one of the most powerful combinations in English because sheer removes all excuses. You didn't have advantages, you had persistence, and that was enough.
Chunk 3. Require persistence or take persistence. You warn someone, this task ahead, it will test you. It will be slow. It will be frustrating. It requires persistence to get through.
For example, learning a new language takes persistence. Not a week, not a month, long time, many mistakes, many slow days. It takes persistence. Prepare yourself.
Require persistence and take persistence are honest phrases. They don't pretend something is easy. They say, this is real. This will cost you something. That something is persistence.
Chunk 4, reward persistence. When an industry, a skill, a situation gives good results to the people who don't quit.
For example, writing rewards persistence. Most writers get rejected many times, but the ones who keep writing, keep improving, eventually publish. The craft rewards persistence.
Reward persistence is motivating because it says the system is fair here. Keep going and the result will come. The field rewards the people who stay.
And chunk 5, lack of persistence, the opposite. Giving up too early at the first sign of difficulty, before the result had a chance to arrive.
For example, the project failed because of a lack of persistence. Not a bad idea, not bad timing. The team stopped too soon, before it could work. Lack of persistence.
Lack of persistence is worth understanding because it is honest. Many things fail not because they were wrong, but because someone stopped right before the breakthrough.
Right before. That is the hardest part to accept.
2 stories. Mine first, about sheer persistence. When I started writing properly, seriously, I was not naturally good at it. My first attempts were clumsy. The sentences were awkward. The ideas were there, but the words didn't cooperate. I got feedback that was hard to hear. Honest, but hard. And for a week, I thought, maybe this is not for me. But I kept going, not because I was talented, through sheer persistence. Every day, a little writing. Every week, a little better. Every month, noticeably improved.
How long before it felt natural?
About a year. A full year of sheer persistence before writing stopped feeling like a struggle and started feeling like something I could actually do.
A year of showing up every day with no guarantee?
No guarantee, just persistence. And eventually, persistence paid off.
My story is about lack of persistence, and it is honest, about a mistake I made. A few years ago, I started learning to play the guitar. I was excited at the beginning. I practiced every day for 2 weeks. Then my fingers hurt. The progress felt slow. The songs I wanted to play seemed impossible still. After 3 weeks, I stopped. I told myself I would come back to it. I didn't come back to it.
The guitar is still there?
Still there, in the corner, looking at me. A daily reminder of lack of persistence. And the honest truth, 3 weeks is nothing. The finger pain goes away after a month. The progress becomes noticeable after 2 months. I stopped right at the hardest part, right before it gets easier.
Lack of persistence often looks like quitting at exactly the wrong moment.
Exactly the wrong moment, right before the breakthrough. If you're in something hard right now, ask yourself, am I at the hardest part? Because the hardest part means you're close, not far.
Okay, let's finish. Persistence, refusing to stop, continuing through difficulty, trying again after failure. It is not glamorous, it is not fast, but it is the most reliable path to almost any goal.
Your 5 chunks. Persistence pays off. The encouraging saying that refusing to quit leads to success. Sheer persistence. Achieving something through pure determination alone with no special advantage. Require or take persistence. Warning that a task will be slow and frustrating and will test your patience. Reward persistence. When a field or situation gives good results to those who don't quit. And lack of persistence, giving up too early before the result had a chance to arrive.
Curriculum homework. Today, think of something you gave up on too early, something you stopped at the first or second sign of difficulty. Just one thing. And ask yourself, what would have happened if I had persisted a little longer?
You don't have to go back to it, just notice the pattern. Because once you see where your lack of persistence shows up, you can choose differently next time.
Persistence is a choice, made again every day, every time it gets hard.
Thanks for listening to Word Unlocked. See you next time.
Stay curious, keep going. Persistence pays